Hey guys, we're going to be giving you a tutorial on our dance competition makeup.
First, we're going to start with the eyeshadow.
It's labeled 1 through 4, so you know what order to put it on.
So first, we're going to start with number 1, which is the darkest color.
So you're going to start with number 1, and you're just going to put it like right on the outside of your eye.
Make sure to put some tape on the outside edge of your eye and fill it in with the eyeshadow.
So it should look something like this when you're done with number 1. Make sure that's not super light.
Now we're going to use color number 2.
You want to bring number 2 more than halfway on your eyelid.
When you're done with number 2, this is what it should look like.
Now move on to number 3 and put it in the corner of your eye.
When you get to number 3, make sure you get a smaller brush so you get more eyeshadow. So when you're done with number 3, make sure that you bring it around the corner.
Make sure you keep the tape on while putting on your eyeliner.
Also, your eyeliner has to be liquid.
Don't make it a super big wing, but when you're doing it, make sure that you start your wing right here to go out. This is what your eyeliner should look like when you're done, and you can see how I kind of started the eyeliner right here and then just went up. You can peel it off.
This is how the finished eyes should look.
This is what it should look like, and this is why you have to put tape.
Now it's time for blush.
You want to have a big brush so you can blend it all out. This is what the blush should look like. And now we're going to do lipstick.
So this should be your lipstick, and then you just put it on like normal.
This is how the lipstick should look.
Here's the finished look.
Make sure you practice for competitions so you can perfect the eye makeup.
And make sure you put tape so your eyeshadow doesn't end up below your eyeliner.
Also for our hair, we're going to have a middle part and a low slicked bun.
That's all. Bye!